What's up guys? Welcome to my second makeup tutorial video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I turned myself from this into Shuten-Doji. She's one of my favorite characters in Fate Grand Order. So I hope you like this video and maybe you'll learn something out of it too. So first up, I'm using TeaMi's Soothe Tea Infused Facial Oil. So this is supposed to help me reduce the redness in my face because I have an issue with that. And it also helps to nourish my face, or that's what they told me. Second up is, the primer that I used in my previous video too. And the third one is my concealer. So this concealer, I got it from Innisfree and it's in the shade of me. Right now I'm cleaning up my brows to prepare myself to conceal my brows. Using the Elmer's disappearing glue, you can conceal them really nicely. So I learned this method from watching Drag Race and watching drag queen makeup tutorial videos, like a lot of it. So what they do, they put one layer of glue and they let it dry, and then they cut out a whole piece of glue and then they put it onto their brows, like what I'm doing right now. So you have to pat it down and make sure that it's a smooth flat surface and let it dry each time you try and glue your brows. So I go about 2 to 3 layers. Make sure it's dry for each layer you do. And then now I'm using Huda Beauty's setting powder. So this setting powder actually helps you to, I don't know what it helps you with, I just know they use it actually. Oh well, so now we have to wait for like 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
So right now I'm using a fluffy brush to remove the excess of the setting powder that I put on. And then I'm gonna conceal it once again. You have to wait 5 minutes just so the powder can, set. That's why it's called setting powder. And now I'm pulling out my James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna be using the red colored shades to color correct my brows. Usually you do this when you try and conceal hair, like your mustache, your brows. It helps to make the color more neutral to your skin. And then that's when you go in with your foundation and then it will look more blended in with your skin color. Now I'm gonna go in my Modern Renaissance palette in the shade of Tempera as a base coat. And now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. This is to help you make sure that your eyeshadow can be as pigmented as it can be when it's on your eyelid and it won't crease up as much. Now I'm going back in the shade Golden Ochre, and then I'll be using Raw Sienna for the mostly outer corners of the eyes. Now I'm gonna be using the shade Red Ochre. This is for me to use it in the most outer corners of the eyes, because Shuten-Doji has like a red color eye thingy going on there, like eyeshadow thingy. Now I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow that I got from Etude House. This is a wine red color that I do for the under eyes. Now just blend it all out. And now we're gonna go in with our NYX red colored liquid eyeliner. Watch that tension and precise movement as I do a very weird wing on my eye. I always get so tensed up when I'm doing this because one wrong move and everything goes totally wrong. Also, I usually do this at the end. I don't know why I did this in the beginning in the first place. I usually do it after the eyeliner, but Lord knows why I did it first this time. Who knows? And now we're doing the eyeliner. So I make sure to go into the inner corners of my eyes with the eyeliner. And then I do a very cat eye kind of look. My eyeliner is pretty thick for Shuten-Doji, I'm not gonna lie. The wing is really exaggerated too. Now I'm using my Daiso cotton buds to help me remove my mistakes. Again, because we always have those. And after removing my mistake, I'm gonna be filling in the other parts of the eyes which should be red. That's why I usually do it at the end. And I'm going in with my Etude House eyeshadow just to exaggerate the red colored eyeshadow. Using my Sephora angled brush and my James Charles Artist palette, I'm gonna be doing my brows. So I dig into the most dark brown shade I can find. And then I use a brown colored eyeliner to contour or like give my eyebrows a shape. And god damn it, isn't it cold? So this contact lens that I specifically use for Shuten-Doji is the Puffy 3 Tones Purple Violet. Ugh, I hate it when your contacts just don't go in. Now I'm gonna be using a white colored eyeliner to draw the bottom corners of my eyes. This makes your eyes look bigger. I'm gonna be putting on my fake eyelashes. So I usually stack 2 on my eyelash, as I said in my previous video. Some monolith, and this will help to give me a fake double eyelid instead of using a fake double eyelid tape. So the difference when I do this, it's really crazy. Like, look at that, it's insane. One of my eye is drastically bigger. Yep, it really helps. Eat. Look at that. Now I'm gonna be going in and doing my fake bottom lashes. Using my Sephora angled brush again, I'm gonna be going in the shape of Warm Taupe and Antique Bronze to make a fake double eyelid crease. And now I'm gonna be using Cypress Umber to make it even faker. And I'm almost done, except I forgot my lipstick. In the previous video you saw me using a Laneige two-tone lipstick bar, which I have no idea where I put, so I'm gonna be putting this lipstick in the inner corners of my lips and then concealing the outside with foundation. And now I'm gonna be using Jill Stewart's lip gloss. This really makes my lips super shiny, and I just got this and I love it. Using Warm Taupe, I'm gonna contour my nose line, make it even sharper. And then I'm gonna be going in Vermeer for the tip of my nose, my mouth, and then the inner corners of my eyes. Time to set the makeup right. This step is totally optional. I sometimes do it and sometimes I don't. I just use a blusher or like a red colored eyeshadow to make myself look like I'm blushing, because you know Shuten, she likes to drink. You know, after you drink you get that red Asian blush. And now we're gonna go change out and I'll see you in a bit in my costume. Ta-da! Okay, this talisman thing is way too big for my face. I have a really small face. I have no choice but to hide this in my hand. I'm gonna have to fix this soon though. But this is my go-to makeup for her. And thank you so much once again for joining me here. I hope you guys like this YouTube tutorial video, and I hope it like maybe helped you a little bit in your makeup. in your endeavors in cosplaying Shuten-Doji too. If you like this video, remember to leave a like or comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much, and I'll try to make more videos in the upcoming month. Bye bye guys!